Welcome to Rocket Launch Base on the Earth. Let's experience the life of the astronaut together and travel the solar system to explore the mysterious universe. Change into the outfit of the astronaut first. Tight clothing. They can protect the astronaut's muscles and bones. Spacesuit. Fasten the buckles properly for safety. Gloves. Helmet. Shoes. Outfit change is complete. Let's go to the launching pad and head for the universe. Are you ready? Let's head for the space. Press the button and launch the rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Press the button to accelerate the rocket. Around in the space station as there's no gravity here. Someone's trying to reach us. Let's answer it. I am Dr. Mew Mew. I am studying the composition of the solar system. We hope you can head for the solar system and make an interplanetary map. Okay, we'll be sure to accomplish the mission. Follow the icons to find planets in the solar system and mark them on the interplanetary map. Sun. The sun is at the center of the solar system. It's a red-orange fireball with a mass 330,000 times that of the Earth. Its surface temperature can reach 6,000 degrees Celsius. The sun is in constant eruptions, providing us with light and heat. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun in the solar system. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system, just a little bit bigger than the moon. Mercury's surface temperature ranges from minus 173 degrees Celsius at night and 427 degrees Celsius during the day, resulting in large temperature difference. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and its mass is just 10% of that of the Earth. The red-orange appearance of the Martian surface is caused by hematite. There are solid carbon dioxide and water on Mars, so there are many speculations about life on Mars. Moon. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. It orbits the Earth and rotates on its own axis at the same time. Its surface is full of impact craters formed by the impact of smaller body. As the moon is much smaller than the Earth, its gravity is much less than that of the Earth. You can jump very high on the moon. is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the planet we live on, and it appears blue from outer space. The Earth revolves around the Sun, and the angles and distances of sunlight vary, causing the seasons of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the Earth's sister planet with the mass similar to that of the Earth. Venus is the second brightest star in the night sky after the Moon. It's also the planet with the most volcanoes in the solar system. More than 1,600 large volcanoes have been discovered on Venus so far. Great! The interplanetary map is ready. Astronaut Kiki has accomplished the mission. I've received the interplanetary map, and I can carry on my research. Thank you. It's my duty. Look, one grid of energy is used each time we complete a mission. It's workout time. Let's check out how astronauts exercise. Secure with a belt first so you won't fly away. Do you know that astronauts need to exercise in space so they won't suffer muscle atrophy? Great! We have finished the space exercise. We have run out of energy. Let's return to the Earth for mission report. Astronaut Kiki, congratulations on your successful space mission. Here is a reward for you. Congratulations on winning the Planet Traveler badge.